Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be showing you some new products that are actually just available for the month of November. Now, if you are desperate to get this product, you can actually get those prior to November by getting these items on your starter kit. So anyway, there is another stamp set as well from this collection. I just decided to get the two because the other one has a snowflakes and a pine tree that has a snowflakes, and I think that we have had already some of that, or that I have in my collection, so I decided to go with this. So this one is Happiness Arounds, and it does coordinate really well with the Snowfall Thinless, which is part of that collection. And this is the Snowflake Showcase. But you can see this is gorgeous. I love this one. This one by itself will look fantastic. So to me, I like to have the thinless. I also like that it has the flowers and the leaves as well. You can see other flowers in there and other type of snowflakes. So to me, this was a great addition. So I love this one. And then I went with the Happiness Around because, like I said, I had already too many snowflake sets, so I decided to go that way. But either way, I'm sure you're gonna love all the different items. Now, on top of these, this one also has a set of snowflake trinkets. Let me see. Yeah, it's snowflake trinkets, and you can see them how they look. They have a piece of like a rhinestone right in the center, so it shines really nice. And you can see this one. I think this one is my favorite, but both looks really nice. So anyway, so this one has that. And there's also some flock paper, white paper. You can see already that I cut one of them. But it is just so smooth. If you have seen the Santa's workshops, the sans serif paper, and you saw that fuzzy thing or white thing on that paper, that was flock. So now the whole piece on this one is flock. So it's fantastic paper. Too many things to be doing with that. But anyway, so my card today is actually for flowers, because I am doing a blog, video blog cup, and on this one we're doing flowers. So I figured let's just do that, showcase this one and show these flowers because these are brand new. So anyway, so let's go over measurements and things that I have already pre-done. So I have my card base is going to be on Whisper White, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to be, as usual, folding it in half. So let's just do that part. Then I have a piece of what is this? Gray granite, and this one is I believe it's 4 by 5. Yeah, 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to be stamping this section. Now, because this is photopolymer, I am going to be using my Pierce mat, and I always have a piece of scratch paper so that I can kind of do my stamping without fearing that I'm going to stain it. So I'm going to be using gray granite, and I'm going to be using this piece, which it looks like kind of like a snowflake, Mandela flower, kind of like that. So I'm going to be using that one. And I'm going to be putting enough ink on this one. And then I'm going to be putting it like so. Alright. Okay. Now, okay, it just looks fantastic. Then the next one is I'm going to do one stamping off, and I'm going to be doing another one here because I want like a little bit of a light, and I don't know that you can see it, but I'm going to have that here. So it's just one that kind of looks too much, and then the other ones is just kind of like a shade. And this one is just to have my paper like in a, like if it were a design series paper, and it has the same design but in a different tone. So I'm not so sure if you can see it. I think you can. So you can see it's really subtle, and then just one big one that really stands out. Now the next thing is I have a scratch piece of paper of Whisper White, And this one, I'm going to be stamping with Berry Burst. And this is this flower. Now let me see if I want, I think I'm going to be doing, let me just do that. Yes, I like that. And let's just do another one that is, just to see if I like it better. I think I like that one better. I think this one is too dark, so let's just do another one, just in case. I'm going to do another one on the back, because I didn't like that one. And here it is, so I like it better. Because I don't know if it's going to, let me see. I want to make sure if I can cut it. Oh yeah, I can cut it. Okay, so that's fine. Alright, so I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to be die cutting this, but before I do that, let's just do the sentiment. Now this one is a piece of Pool Party, and this one is 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to be using the gray granite, and I'm going to be using the sentiment that says congratulations, because I think this one will go perfect for so many occasions. So I just go ahead and put that, and I think it's too on the top, so let me just try to do another one where it's more center. See if I do a better job this time. I don't think so. Yeah, it's better. So I'm going to be using this side. So, and I use the gray granite as well on this one. So now that I have those pieces stamped, I'm going to go ahead and die cut this flower. Now I have already die cut this, and this is Berry Burst as well, and I use this die cut, and then I use these leaves, and you have both of them, so you can cut them at the same time. And I've used lemon lime twist. Alright, so let's just do this part. I have my big shot here, and I have already the magnetic platform. I have the magnetic platform, one acrylic, then I'm going to be putting my paper, and then my die. And if you have something like that where it's moving around, so you just move your paper, and something that makes the trick. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to put another acrylic, and then run it through. And it should have cut it. So here is that paper, okay? So let's just take that out. I'm going to put this one back in the back, because I usually end up, if I don't do this part, I usually end up losing them, so I'd rather be safe. There we go. So now that I have that, let's put the card together. So we're going to be gluing this one here. And let me just do another thing here. I have here the, give me 1 second, because I want to use, oh my goodness, somewhere here is buried. Give me 1 second here. I think I want to use this. I could probably use this, which is the Berry Burst Metallic. Is that right? Oh, I get metallic edge ribbon, and it's the Berry Burst. So let's just start gluing everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one here. Let me see if I like it. Let me see how I like it. I don't know if I want it, because these elements are going to go like so, and this one will go on top of that, and then this one will go somewhere here. So that's how exactly how I like it. I think I do like it like that, or no, I think I do like it on this end. So let's just go ahead and put it that way, how I originally thought about it. Oh, and you know what I forgot? Is that, well, never mind. I'm just going to leave it that way. Because I was going to use one of these to go, well, I could have still tried to do it. But, no, I'm going to leave it that way. Because if I go over the white, I won't like it. So, anyway. So, I'm going to go ahead and use a glue dot for this section. And let me find my glue dots. Here they are. I'm going to put one glue dot right in the center and put it, I think I like it like so. So on the opposite side so that you can see the whole thing. And I'm going to be putting this one right here. Yeah, so it kind of adds, and I'm going to be putting glue dots for this. So this piece is going to go here. I'm going to be adding this one's here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the glue dots for these. And then I'm going to be adding another one here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this one right there, like so. But this one is going to go with dimensional. So I'm going to put 2 dimensionals on that one. Like so. Then I'm going to be adding this with the take your pick, which is this tool, and I love this pokey thing, especially to pick up those. There's also a little spatula that you can use, but I find that I most of the times end up using this side. Now, for this one, I'm going to be using, let me see, I think this medium size. Yes, the medium size looks fine, so I'm going to go ahead and put that one. Then I have some of these rhinestones. I'm going to put like 3 or 4 of those. So I'm going to putting use randomly. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be cutting this congratulations, and yeah, this is the one that I want to use. I'm going to be cutting somewhere here. Alright, and this one will go here with dimensionals. And where are my dimensionals? Oh, here. And I'm going to be putting it like so. So, here it is. I think it looks fantastic. I love all these elements and how easy and quick it was. So anyway, hopefully you like this one as well. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget about my ordering incentive. Anytime someone places an order on my online store using the hostess code, they'll get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and I'll send everything, embellishments, paper, everything, as well as the instructions. And if the order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. So thank you so much for joining me, and I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you. Bye.